Hello, we're the safety team for the Citrus College Crocodiles, and we have a member of the vehicle team for our safety demonstration on the miter saw. We're going to be covering the proper PPE, or personal protective equipment, and we're also going to be covering the safety procedures when operating this machine. So the first thing you have to do is make sure that you're wearing your safety glasses. As with most heavy machinery in the lab, this is to keep your eyes safe just in case any mishap happens. And when cutting anything other than fiberglass, disposable respiratory masks should suffice for lung protection. When cutting fiberglass, non-disposable respiratory mask is required, therefore you don't get fiberglass particles in your lungs. And lab coats are required as well, just to make sure you don't get fiberglass on your clothing. You have to have the sleeves rolled up, and then after operating the machine, you have to go and wash your hands and arms to keep fiberglass particles off of you. And then you also have to wear machine gloves. Therefore, when cutting or holding anything, you don't get any fiberglass particles on your hands.
Prior to operating the miter saw, make sure that you extend the room divider again to keep any debris from going to the opposite side of the room. Also make sure that you have fans placed in positions to push the fiberglass debris outside and that the door is open to increase ventilation. Also make sure that you measure your cuts before plugging in the miter saw to make sure that you can hold your hand 4 to 5 inches away. If you cannot, use clamps as much as you can. If you cannot use clamps, find another method of cutting. And that concludes our safety briefing for the miter saw.